Crate training is a useful and safe way to help your dog feel secure, while also giving you peace of mind. But if your dog refuses to go into the crate, it can be frustrating. Luckily, there are simple, gentle steps you can take to help your dog feel comfortable and even enjoy being in the crate. First, it is important to choose the right crate. The crate should be big enough for your dog to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. If the crate is too small, your dog will feel trapped. If it is too big, your dog might not feel safe. Wire dog crates can be a great option because their open design lets your dog see their surroundings, which can reduce anxiety. The good airflow keeps the crate comfortable, and their lightweight build makes it easy to move the crate to different quiet spots in your home. Plus, wire crates are sturdy and simple to clean, helping maintain a positive and comfortable space for your dog. You can place a soft bed inside the crate to make it more comfortable and inviting for your dog. Place the crate in a quiet but active area of your home, somewhere your dog can see and hear the family, but not where there is too much noise or activity. Keep the crate door open and make it look cozy. Add a soft blanket or a favorite toy to make the crate feel warm, familiar, and comforting for your dog. You want your dog to see the crate as a calm and positive space, not a place where they get locked away or left alone. If your dog seems fearful of the crate itself, take a few days to just let it sit in the room. Let them explore it on their own without any pressure to go inside. Next, help your dog feel good about the crate by using treats. Start by putting a treat just inside the door. Slowly, place treats further inside the crate, letting your dog decide how far to go. Each time your dog moves closer or shows interest, praise them happily. Do not force your dog inside or close the door. You are building their trust with the crate first. A great way to help your dog feel comfortable inside the crate is to feed their meals there. Start by placing their food bowl just inside the door. Over time, your dog will start to associate the crate with something enjoyable, like food. Still, keep the door open during meals until your dog seems comfortable. Once they are happily eating inside, try gently closing the door while they eat. Open it again as soon as they are done, and give lots of praise. When your dog is willingly going into the crate for food, and treats, begin practicing short crate sessions. You can even use a cue word like crate or bed every time your dog goes inside, followed by a treat. Over time, your dog will connect the word with a good experience. If your dog stays calm, reward them with praise and a treat when they come out of the crate. If they seem uncomfortable, try using a calming pheromone diffuser or spray to help them feel more relaxed and safe. These pheromones, available as sprays or diffusers, can create a soothing environment for your dog during crate training or stressful situations. Using them consistently can speed up the process of crate acceptance and reduce anxiety. To help a dog that refuses to enter the crate, you can also use an anti-anxiety pheromone collar. This collar releases calming pheromones that reduce stress and help your dog feel more comfortable with the crate. Using the collar during crate training can make the process easier and less stressful for your dog. Avoid forcing them or yelling, as that can increase fear. Keep your tone happy and relaxed. As your dog becomes more comfortable, slowly increase the time they spend inside. Start with a few minutes with the door closed while you stay nearby. Then try leaving the room for short periods. Always return before your dog starts to panic. If your dog cries or whines, wait until they calm down before letting them out. Otherwise, they might think whining gets them what they want. Remember to go slow and be consistent. Make the crate a peaceful, relaxing place. Give your dog a chew toy or puzzle toy to keep them busy while they are inside. You can also drape a blanket over the crate to create a cozy, den-like atmosphere that helps your dog feel more secure and relaxed. Just make sure your dog is not chewing on the fabric. Never use the crate as punishment. Your dog should see it as a safe, happy place, not a jail. Crate training takes time, especially with a dog that is afraid or unsure. Some dogs learn quickly, others may take weeks. That's okay. Stay positive and go at your dog's pace. With gentle training and lots of patience, your dog will begin to feel at home in the crate. With the right steps, gentle guidance, and lots of love, your dog will learn to see the crate as a safe and comfortable place they can truly enjoy. This will make crate training a positive experience for both you and your furry friend.